In this video, we will be covering our Embed Tile, which allows you to bring in anything external into your micro app. And so we'll go over how to do it, as well as a few examples. So we go into preview mode of this project. We've got a contact button in the upper right-hand corner. This launches an overlay or a pop-up, and you'll see that within that, we've got a contact form from Typeform embedded right in. In order to achieve this, all you need to do is go to your page or your overlay in this case, and then the Embed Tile, just like any other tile, allows you to determine how much or how little of the page real estate you want it to take up. You can set the bounds to be full screen or close to, or in this case, the way that it has been designed, it is just to the right of this Get in Touch image. And then on the Properties panel over on the right-hand side, it's simply going to ask you for a URL. So in most cases, you'll just need a link to pull that in. And then as we go to preview mode, it looks as if it's natively built in or nested right into your design and experience, even though the form you've technically built elsewhere. So the Embed Tile is a great way to bring in forms, surveys, or even 3D renderings. So in this property overview template, there is another example of the Embed Tile using our interactive map, where we click this, and this is simply Google Maps pulled in via URL. Now, as another example, let's say that in addition to Google Maps, they wanted to create another option on this page for a Matterport tour. So we'll bring our Embed Tile onto the canvas, size it up, and all we'll need to do is copy and paste our tour. Now it's up to you if you want to have that background card or if you just wanted to size it accordingly and have the X to go back. But now as we preview this, now this is nested right into the experience for me to work with without having to navigate to another tab or a whole nother page and then jump back into my presentation. We hope these examples were helpful, but if you have any questions on the Embed Tile, don't hesitate to reach out to support@tile.co.